In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce nodes in Inkscape. If you've ever imported a vector or traced a bitmap and ended up with a path that feels messy and hard to edit, simplifying that path by removing extra nodes can make your artwork smoother, lighter, and much easier to work with. Let's walk through a clean, reliable way to do that. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load your workspace and toolbars. If you're opening Inkscape for the first time, the default layout is perfect for what we need today. Next, open an existing document or create a new one. If you already have a file with a shape that feels too complex, open it now. Otherwise, create a quick shape to practice on. You can also import an SVG or a traced image if that's what you're working with. The key is to have a path you want to simplify. Now, select the object you want to clean up with the Selector tool. You'll find it at the top of the toolbar on the left, or just press the S key. When the object is selected, you'll see a bounding box around it. If you have multiple objects, click the one you want to focus on so you don't edit the wrong thing. Switch to the Node tool by pressing N, or by clicking the tool that looks like a small white arrow. This tool reveals the structure of your path. You should now see individual nodes along the outline. If you don't see nodes, make sure you're working with a path-based object. Only paths display editable nodes. Click on the specific nodes you want to remove. Selected nodes will change color, typically turning blue or yellow depending on your Inkscape theme. Take your time here, zoom in for precision, and feel free to shift-click to select multiple nodes at once. You can also drag a small selection box around a cluster of nodes to grab several in one move. When you're confident about the selection, press Delete on your keyboard. The path will recalculate and connect the remaining nodes, often resulting in a cleaner, smoother curve. If the shape distorts more than you expected, use Undo to step back and try removing fewer nodes at a time. A gradual approach works best. Prune obvious extras, check the curve, and continue until the path looks clean without losing important detail. Backspace works too, but delete is the most straightforward. That's it. By launching Inkscape, opening your file, selecting your object, switching to the Node tool, carefully choosing nodes and pressing delete, you'll reduce complexity while keeping your design strong and smooth.